Hey, ChopperFett family, how are we doing today? Kind of odd for me to be posting on a Friday, right? What's going on? Well, let's go ahead and roll the intro, and we'll get to exactly why you're seeing a video today. Roll the intro. Pow! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So, one of my new YouTube friends that I've recently met, JP1970. You can check his link out in the description below there. And he challenged myself and a few others to post one video a day for the next 7 days. I think the reason he's having us do this is, we're all getting a little cooped up, with our stay-at-home orders. So maybe if we could spread the entertainment around on the YouTube, maybe we could at least kind of live vicariously through one another, and maybe get through this time a little bit easier together. With today being the day one of the challenge, I'm just going to kind of introduce what I'll be doing over the next 6 days. And yes, JP, I'm counting this as day one. But what I'm going to be doing on the channel for the next week is a little mixture of a lot of different things. I don't want to give away all of the ideas that I've kind of got in my head for the next week, because some of them I think are kind of fun. But just so you guys know, there might be a couple videos where there's no talking. It could just be a couple minute clip of something, and that's gonna have to suffice for my video of the day. But that's not to say it won't be. I'm hoping at least entertaining for that, that little bit of time. Now next Wednesday I will still have my normal episode as always, so that will still be my true moto vlog for that day and that week. So nothing will change really on that front. Yeah, this COVID thing is scary when you all boil it down. I know, myself included, we kind of brushed it off at the beginning, but it's more serious than I think anyone even anticipated, which is kind of sad and depressing. But hopefully we're doing enough now to start to flatten out those spikes, and hopefully we can kind of get this under control. It's so weird. I'm a very big sports fan, and it's so odd there's no baseball this time of year. We just missed opening day. I can't remember a time when there's been literally no sports, and sports I know are not even like the main concern of what's going on. I know people's health and people are dying, that's the main concern, but it's just so weird how the world has changed in the last 3 weeks. I've been working from home for 3 weeks now, going on my 4th week. I'm still adapting to it. I'm still adapting to this new world that we're living in. Although I will say, I've been prepping my whole life for social distancing. I know it might sound weird coming from someone who talks to hundreds of people on a given week about a specific subject on a motovlog. But as I'm very much an introvert when it comes to most things, unless I really, really know you, I'm not going to really speak up too much. A couple weeks ago I was on Scouse's Adventure, his channel. He had a live stream, and it took took about 4 beers for me to get the courage for me to be part of that live stream. I'm glad he didn't put me on right away and let me get my liquid courage built up. But no, I do appreciate his invite for that, so thanks again, man. That was a heck of an experience. I hope to join you on some others here in the future as well. So yeah, I mean, that's really about all that's kind of going on today. I'm keeping this one pretty short and sweet. To actually get in and edit 7 straight days worth of videos, I got to keep them on the smaller side. But again, not going to shortchange you on our typical Wednesdays. Those are still going to remain the same. And with that being said, I am going to go ahead and let it go here. Look out for the next video tomorrow. I'm going to try and keep them posted all about the same time. I'm going to shoot for about 8 a.m. every single day Central Time. So keep an eye out for them, and I hope you enjoy it, and hopefully you don't get sick of seeing my ugly mug here in the next week. With that being said, I hope you all have a good rest of your night. ChopperFett out. Oh wait, I almost forgot. And I will catch you on the dark side, as that is the way. Now ChopperFett's out. See ya!